New Zealand is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Over 2 million people come here every year. So why do so many people come to New Zealand? They come for the beautiful scenery, the relaxed atmosphere, and to experience some of the world's most exciting adventure sports. This is Queenstown, on New Zealand's South Island. It's a small town by Lake Wakatipu, surrounded by mountains. It used to be a quiet farming town, but now it's a popular destination for tourists from all over the world who are looking for excitement. This is the Shotover Jet. It's a high-speed jet boat that races through narrow, windy canyons and has been a major attraction in Queenstown since 1970. Queenstown is also home to the bungee jump. This jump on the Kowara Bridge was the first commercial bungee jump in the world. It has been a huge success for almost 30 years, and it has turned Queenstown into the adventure sports capital of the world. Today, visitors to Queenstown can do all kinds of adventure sports, as well as jet boating and bungee jumping. They can go skydiving or even parasailing. But not all visitors to New Zealand want to jump off a bridge or out of a plane. Tourists looking for something a bit more relaxed should travel 1,600 kilometres north to Auckland. Auckland is at the northern tip of New Zealand's North Island. It is between the Tasman Sea and the Hauraki Gulf, so it is the perfect place for sailing. In fact, Auckland is known as the City of Sails. It has more boats per person than any other city in the world, with around 135,000 yachts and motorboats in the city's many marinas. Auckland has hosted the most famous yacht race in the world, the America's Cup, twice. On the first occasion, the New Zealand team won. Auckland is proud of this sailing tradition. Today, tourists can hire the Team New Zealand yacht, worth millions of dollars. They can sail the yacht around the harbour, or sail it towards the ocean to see whales and dolphins. Many international visitors come to New Zealand for its adventure sports. And from Queenstown to Auckland, it's got something for everyone.